In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to edit the ship from name displayed on shipping labels. By default, the ship from name is derived from the name specified in the warehouse address. However, there are situations where a brand or client may require their own company name or an alternative name to appear on the label instead. To update the ship from name, begin by navigating to General Settings in your account. From there, select Clients and then choose the specific client you wish to edit. Within the client's profile, you will find the Ship from Name field. Enter the desired name in this field. If this value is set, the system will display the specified name on the shipping labels for that client's orders. If the Ship from Name field is left blank, there will be no issues. The system will simply continue using the default name specified in the warehouse setting.